Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So sorry I haven't posted in a while, but finally starting to get some more parts in, so I'll show you what I got today. Alright, first I just want to show you what I have now. So I just have the stock wheels and the dealership. I bought this truck new, but they went ahead and put the leveling kit on it and they installed 35 12.5s on it. So that's what those look like. And then now we got our new ones here. So these are the XD. They are called the Boneyards. And I believe the ones that I got, these are a 20 by 10, and they are, I believe it's a -18 offset. But I'll put a link to where some of the places are selling them at. I actually got these off eBay from a company up in Minnesota, and I think this is the last set they had, and I got a really good deal on them. They came with tires. I mean, they're just Kenda tires. I've never tried them before, but figured I'd give it a try. They look like they're mud terrains as well. But I'll definitely try to find some links for y'all, and I'll take and put them down in the description below. All right, so just for a comparison, that's a world of a difference. I think they're gonna look pretty good though once we get them on there. So these new tires are actually, they're 33 12.5, so they are smaller. And I was kind of reading up on everything, and I really don't have a need for 35. I really don't take the truck off-roading that much, and I don't need that much clearance. So as you can see, now my old tires, they have about 16,000 miles on them. So they are worn down a little bit, but you can kind of see the difference right there. And the old tire, it's also under load too. So that's that comparison. Let me show you how this looks with that offset. Not too deep in there, but I think it's just enough. And one cool thing about these is if you want to go with like a certain color scheme, I think they have blue and red, but these little plates right here, you can actually just take these off. I believe you can go on to KMC's website and you can actually just order the different color plates. They have like a red and a blue, I think. I think that's the only colors they offer right now. Or you could just take these off and you can go get them painted whatever color you want. So this is all that I'm gonna record today. Probably not gonna try to tackle these by myself. I might get somebody to help me, or I might just go by the dealership tomorrow and just go ahead and get them mounted and stuff and get a new alignment and all that stuff done. Just want to show you one more quick little video of how these stock wheels currently sit. And I have these fender flares on. I think they're about, pushes it out about 3 inches or so. You kind of see the wheels and tires are in a little bit. But hopefully we'll solve that issue here soon. And all right, so we got the new ones on now. I gotta say, it definitely changes the whole look of the truck. Also, you can see the wheels and the tires, they stick out a little bit more flush with the fender flares now. And I do like, it's kind of hard to explain, but if you're looking at the wheel from certain angles, you can kind of see like 2 different patterns. I don't know if y'all are seeing the same thing I am or not. I'm definitely loving these new wheels. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna include a video of me driving with my old wheels and tires, and this is mostly for the tires. You'll hear the sound of the old tires that I have, and then I'm gonna do a test drive with the new ones, and we can kind of compare the difference between like the ride quality and the sound of it. So here we go. So now you can really see the difference of how big my old tires were. And just to show you real quick, these are my new wheels. They say 110 pounds. Now my old ones, they weigh 102.4. All right, so I ended up actually gaining weight as far as the wheels and tires go, and I think it's mostly because of the wheels, because they are wider, and I believe they're steel, and the old ones, the stock ones that came on it, I think they're like an aluminum clad chrome, I think is what they call it. But one good thing is my speedometer is actually a lot more accurate now because I don't have those huge tires on there. I definitely think overall I'm gonna enjoy the smaller tires. I might end up changing them later and go with something that's a little more softer compound, maybe some BF Goodwrench tires or something. But I definitely think these will do for now. I think the ride quality might be a little bit better. I mean, they're both 12 ply F-rated, so they are really tough tires. But time will tell on that as far as if it's actually a better ride quality or not. I have to drive it a little more to actually notice. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully if you're looking at the Kenda tires or these XD Boneyards, this kind of gives you a good idea of what it looks like on a Ram truck. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notifications so you don't miss out on any videos. I'll see you next time.